Fox 19 Now First Alert Weather.
Check out this video from Clifton. The snow still coming down at a light clip. We will be still tracking light accumulations over the region, especially in that area where you can see the snow collecting, especially on those grassy surfaces. Those main roads may be a little wet at this hour, and tomorrow morning we could get a little bit of refreeze, especially on those secondary streets. As we switch it over, those bridges and overpasses will be some of the slickest spots we see in the overnight hours. So, of course, leaving yourself some extra time is always a good idea if you're heading out and about within the next couple hours or even early tomorrow morning as the snow starts to wind on down. But we still have a few of those snow showers falling near the Hillsborough area, places near Brush Creek, and areas also near Paint Township. That's where we have some of the heavier snow at the moment. That includes Marshall, Brush Creek, and that's going to take you into the late evening hours, first part of the overnight. Snow is going to really start to push off to the east, though, in the next couple hours. West Union, light snow tapering off for you. Rome, areas south of the river near Concord, you're seeing a couple of those light snow batches. The same goes for Lebanon, and we will be tracking a few of those scattered showers a little farther off to the north and west, sliding a little farther to the south and west. We do have a few of those also lingering near Milton. So the snow is tapering off. The heavier snow that we did see, and most of the accumulation that we had in the area fell at around dinner time, and now the snow is coming to an end in the overnight, and we're setting up for a very cold and breezy day heading into tomorrow as that low pressure system strengthens off to the south and east. That's going to deepen a nor'easter moving up the east coast, and of course that's going to be the big story as far as snow goes the next couple days, especially for folks in New York and Boston. But temps here close to home are going to be in the low to mid 30s, feeling very much like winter here heading into the next couple hours. And as the snow tapers off, those winds will pick up out of that north and northwesterly direction. So the snow continues to taper off after about midnight. By 2 a.m. we're dry across the entire region. That'll allow those temps to bottom out in the low to mid 20s, and we will see some sunshine in tomorrow afternoon's forecast. We will be tracking heading into tomorrow afternoon high temperatures still well below average. We should be in the 50s. Tomorrow we're only going to reach a high in the low to mid 30s. So a cold day. We will be watching out for some snowflakes developing with those northerly winds after about 6 o'clock. Those will be drifting to the south and southeast. Overall, not a widespread event, but with the cold temps in place, we cannot rule out a few of those snowflakes, especially in our north and northwest counties. We're also watching out for some frost in the region, so a freeze warning will be in effect starting tonight at 1 a.m., and that will continue for the next several days and run until noon on your Thursday. So here's a look at the next 7 days where we will have those temps here the next couple days feeling very much like the heart of winter. We're still here in the winter season for another couple days for the most part, so we will be tracking a very last little taste of winter here, and then we're climbing back into the 40s here as we head into your St. Patrick's Day forecast. So we're going to send this out to Matt now. He's out in the Fox 19 Now Storm Tracker. How's it looking out there, Matt?